Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to look for deals on OfferUp. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to find deals on OfferUp, but how do you actually know if you're getting a good deal or not? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but to better demonstrate this, I'm going to use an example, okay? So on OfferUp, let's try to look for a Pokemon prismatic. We'll try to look for this Pokemon new card game that's out, okay? So as you can see, we have one right here, which is a Pokemon Prismatics Evolutions box for $110. How do you know if this is a good deal or not? Now, the best way to actually go ahead and compare this is that I, for one, actually just go on eBay and I search up the same exact item. And then what you want to do is that you want to click on filters on the upper right hand side. And then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says sold items. Okay, so you see how you can toggle on and off sold items? You want to go ahead and toggle on sold items. And then you can see that that same box sold for $230 on January 28th. Here's another box that sold for $110 on January 28th. Here we have a few boxes that were sold for $120. So you can see that even on eBay, that same box, well, here's one that was sold for $91, so a little bit less. So it's up to you, but that's the way that I compare different deals on OfferUp. I compare it with what's been sold on eBay. So for this one being sold at $110, you want to make sure you go ahead and check it out on eBay and see if it's been sold for the same amount. Now, another price comparison app that I use is that I just go ahead and check the price of it on Amazon as well. And in a special case scenario, you could actually go directly to the company. So in this case, it would be directly to the Pokemon company as far as how much is this box actually selling directly from the company. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find a good deal on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next